The LAC standoff is now the biggest bone of contention in the ongoing monsoon session. The Prime Minister today, in his message to the media, lauded the soldiers guarding the line of actual control and noted that when it comes to national integrity, all MPs stand behind our armed forces at the LAC. This as the opposition plans to corner the government over the ongoing border tension. Congress MPs Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary and K. Suresh as well as the IUML have given adjournment motion notices in Lok Sabha over the LAC standoff. The Congress and other parties are also planning to corner the Modi government over the current coronavirus situation. Remember, India now has the second highest number of cases in the world, while fatalities are set to touch the 80,000 mark. The government is also likely to be questioned over the state of economy. Earlier, DMK MPs T.R. Balu and Kanimuri were seen staging a protest in the parliament premises against the NEET examinations that were held yesterday. They also demanded withdrawal of the Environment Impact Assessment draft notification.
हमारी सेना के वीर जवान सीमा पर डटे हुए हैं। बड़ी हिम्मत के साथ, जज्बे के साथ, बुलंद हौसलों के साथ दुर्गम पहाड़ियों में डटे हुए हैं और कुछ समय के बाद बर्फ वर्षा भी शुरू होगी। जिस विश्वास के साथ वो खड़े हैं, मातृभूमि की रक्षा के लिए डटे हुए हैं, ये सदन भी, सदन के सभी सदस्य एक स्वर से, एक भाव से, एक भावना से, एक संकल्प से वो संदेश देंगे। सेना के जवानों के पीछे देश खड़ा है। संसद और सांसद सदस्यों के माध्यम से खड़ा है। पूरा सदन एक स्वर से देश के वीर जवानों के पीछे खड़ा है। ये बहुत ही मजबूत संदेश भी ये सदन देगा, सभी माननीय सदस्य देंगे, ऐसा मेरा पूरा विश्वास है।
There's no question about that. Of course we support the soldiers on the border, but the government is accountable to Parliament to tell us what's happening. When have they actually reported to us on what's happened, what the talks between the defense ministers, the talks between the foreign ministers, what they've accomplished? The nation needs to know, it will be taken into confidence by the government. That's about it. As far as I'm concerned, the question of support for the military is beyond debate. We are very strongly with our army.
Rahul Srivastava is joining us with more details on this. Rahul, like Mr. Shashi Tharoor just said, the question here as far as the opposition goes is with regards to what's happening in the LAC. Before I go across to Rahul, let's cut across live to what's happening in the Lok Sabha.
And history is the witness for that, sir. And third thing is, already I have spoken. I have already said in 1962 question about suspended, 75 suspended, 1976 suspended.
माननीय मंत्री जी मैं व्यवस्था दे रहा हूँ 1 मिनट।
नहीं last point sir. In last 5 years, after Sri Narendra Modi ji got resounding victory for twice, 60% in Rajya Sabha and 40% in Lok Sabha question hour is wasted in spite of having the resounding victory and the people mandate. And in keeping that view, I urge sir, with all humbleness at my command, that this is an extraordinary situation when assemblies are not ready to meet for a single day. With having around 800 to 850 MPs, we are meeting here under your guidance, and I appeal to them that there are so many ways to question the government, and government is not running away from the discussion. We are ready for the discussion, and we are going to reply for all the questions which you are going to raise.
माननीय रक्षा मंत्री जी, आपकी सभी दलों के नेताओं से चर्चा हुई थी, आप आग्रह कर दें एक बार।
अध्यक्ष महोदय, जैसा संसदीय कार्य मंत्री ने सदन को अवगत कराया है, उन्होंने और उनके 2 अन्य सहयोगियों ने, श्री अर्जुन मेघवाल और मुरलीधरन जी ने अधिकांश दलों के जो ग्रुप लीडर्स हैं उनके साथ उन्होंने बातचीत की है और बहुत सारे लोगों से मैंने भी बातचीत किया है कि असाधारण परिस्थितियों में यह संसद की कार्रवाई इस बार हम लोगों को करनी पड़ रही है। इसमें आप सभी का सहयोग चाहिए क्योंकि केवल 4 घंटे के लिए ही सदन चलेगा। इसलिए मैंने अनुरोध किया था कि क्वेश्चन आवर इसमें न हो बल्कि आधे घंटे का एक 0 आवर हो कि यदि किसी को कोई प्रश्न पूछना है, अपनी किसी आशंका का समाधान करना है तो उस आधे घंटे में वह कर सकते हैं। अधिकांश राजनीतिक पार्टी के जो नेतागण हैं उन्होंने अध्यक्ष महोदय अपनी सहमति दी थी और उससे आपको अवगत कराया गया था। तत्पश्चात आपने यह फैसला किया था कि जो संसद की कार्रवाई चलेगी उसमें क्वेश्चन आवर नहीं होगा। मैं सभी सम्मानित सदस्यों से
मैं आपको सबको बोलने का मौका देता हूं। जब माननीय रक्षा मंत्री जी उपनेता बोल रहे हैं तो कोई माननीय सदस्य डिस्टर्बेंस नहीं करेगा।
सभी सम्मानित सदस्यों से यह विनम्र अनुरोध मैं करना चाहता हूं। असाधारण परिस्थितियों में यह संसद का सत्र प्रारंभ हो रहा है, इसमें आपका सहयोग हमें चाहिए और साथ ही मैं इस बात की भी जानकारी आपको देना चाहता हूं कि अनस्टार्ड क्वेश्चंस के माध्यम से जो कुछ भी आप पूछना चाहते हैं पूछ सकते हैं, मंत्रीगण उसकी जानकारी देंगे। यदि अनस्टार्ड क्वेश्चन की रिप्लाई से आप संतुष्ट नहीं होते हैं तो आप चाहें तो 0 आवर के दौरान भी उसका क्लैरिफिकेशन संबंधित मंत्री से पूछ सकते हैं। इसलिए मैं आप सभी लोगों से विनम्रतापूर्वक अनुरोध करता हूं, कृपया संसद की कार्रवाई चलने में अपना पूरा सहयोग दें। धन्यवाद।
राजनाथ सिंह जी ये कहा कि अनस्टार्ट क्वेश्चन, सर हर दिन 230 अनस्टार्ट क्वेश्चन, साथ में अगर आप चाहे तो 25 और जोड़ सकते हैं, तो 230 + 25 जोड़ सकते हैं अनस्टार्ट, लेकिन स्टार्ट में 20 क्वेश्चन आप नहीं ला सकते। ये कैसे समझाओगे आप? और किसी को इन्फॉर्म करना मतलब कंफर्म करना नहीं। आपने जरूर इन्फॉर्म किया है।
माननीय सदस्यगण, प्रश्नकाल के विषय में
अध्यक्ष महोदय, मैं यह भी आप जानकारी देना चाहूंगा सदन को कि इस संबंध में श्री अधीर रंजन चौधरी जी से हमारी बात हुई थी और उन्होंने अपनी सहमति दी थी।
माननीय सदस्यगण, एक मिनट। माननीय सदस्यगण, प्रश्नकाल के विषय में मैंने आपकी बात को ध्यानपूर्वक सुना है, आपकी भावनाओं को भी समझ लिया है, परंतु इस वैश्विक संकट की इस घड़ी में मैं आपसे अपेक्षा रखता हूं कि आप परिस्थितियों को समझते हुए सदन को सुचारू रूप से संचालन में सहयोग करेंगे। मैं पुनः दोहराता हूं, मैंने आपकी भावनाओं को समझते हुए मैं आपको आश्वस्त करता हूं कि लोकसभा के नियम एवं प्रक्रिया के व्यक्त नियमों एवं अन्य साधनों में आपको मैं पर्याप्त समय और पर्याप्त अवसर दूंगा। सरकार ने भी अपनी भावनाएं ये व्यक्त की है कि आपको अन्य साधनों के माध्यम से पर्याप्त समय और पर्याप्त अवसर मिलेगा। माननीय सदस्य श्री ओवैसी जी, आपने माननीय संसदीय मंत्री जी द्वारा प्रस्तुत प्रस्ताव पर संशोधन की सूचना दी है। माननीय मंत्री जी के प्रस्ताव का मुख्य उद्देश्य इस सत्र के दौरान तारांकित प्रश्न तथा गैर सरकारी कार्य न किए जाएं। आपके संशोधन का उद्देश्य है कि तारांकित प्रश्नों तथा गैर सरकारी कार्य को लिया जाए। माननीय सदस्य, आप द्वारा प्रस्तुत संशोधन प्रक्रिया नियमों के नियम 3442 के अंतर्गत मान्य नहीं है।
As we continue tracking all the updates that are coming in from Lok Sabha, let me also take this across to Anand Patel and Rahul Srivastava, who are joining us on this broadcast. Rahul, we just cut in live there to the Lok Sabha, where in fact you saw a heated debate on the issue of question hour, the fact that question hour has been curtailed this time. We understand that there was some sort of a consensus that the opposition was brought on board on the government's decision on this.
Yes, Akshita, what government sources are saying that prior to the session, senior leaders like Rajnath Singh, Mr. Prahlad Joshi, who is the Parliamentary Affairs Ministers, and several others, including meetings with the Chairman, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha Speaker, there was a general attempt to build a consensus on the fact that can the question hour be dropped? And it seemed that several leaders, as per the government sources, there was a general agreement that question hour can be dropped and written submissions in terms of questions and answers can be carried out because it's an exceptional circumstance. And there is very little time for both the houses to transact business, with them working for 4-hour shifts each day. But now definitely there is a strong voice. Remember one fact, that opposition's demand cannot be called untenable, primarily because question hour is one of the most important oversight functions of any parliament or legislative entity. And that is why dropping the question hour does rob the individual member of parliament to voice the concerns, micro concerns of his own constituency and question the government on critical issues. But yes, there are different circumstances, and that is why the government is also saying that over the last 7 to 8 years, there has been a huge decline as far as utilizing the question hour time is concerned. That something close to 60% lost in Rajya Sabha and 40% lost in Lok Sabha. That kind of attitude towards the government, towards the question hour. And also, very interestingly, in the last few sessions, we have noticed that almost every day there are 2 to 3 notices for the adjournment of the question hour. And today, when the question hour is not there, there is a great amount of love being expressed for it.
We can see that also in the Lok Sabha. Perhaps in the days to come also, this will be a bone of contention. Anand, you know, as Rahul pointed out, it's understandable. The kind of questions that the opposition is asking is warranted because question hour is crucial for the opposition. Having said that, what the government is saying is that they did reach out to the opposition. The opposition gave their nod for a 30-minute question hour. Is this just politics then playing out in Parliament?
Well, yes, and we had, written about it when the government was trying to build a consensus over how the House will be conducted and the business of the House. But certainly the opposition, when reached out by Union Minister Rajnath Singh, who is also the Deputy Leader of the House, and also Prahlad Joshi, who is the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, concerns were raised, and we had reported this when Rajnath Singh had spoken to Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, who is the leader of the opposition. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary had made it very clear that the opposition will not compromise on the question hour. The government had also reached out to Derek O'Brien, the TMC leader, and also DMK leadership. But all these three, we were told, that were not agreeing on dropping of the question hour, while the government was maintaining that the MPs will get an opportunity in the truncated 0 hour to raise issues. But these leaders had very categorically said that dropping question hour will be detrimental to parliamentary proceedings. So clearly, when today the opposition leader was trying to raise this issue, Rajnath Singh did interject it, and he pointed out that they had agreed, to which Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary very significantly pointed out that he didn't agree, but he was just informed that the government didn't debate or discuss this issue with the opposition leaders, but they just informed. It was a formality. So clearly, that is what the opposition leaders are trying to raise this issue on the first day, because the question hour gives the opportunity to the MPs. Apart from other businesses, the MPs get an opportunity to raise issues regarding their parliamentary constituencies. And the unstarred questions doesn't have that kind of a leeway and that kind of a opportunity on the floor of the House to the MP to question the government on the issues, burning issues.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.